In this video, I will discuss how we can perform addition of two numbers by taking users input in Python. So we use hash to comment out a particular line in Python. Then we simply declare two variables x, y and take input from users. Here we show them a message, enter any two numbers. We use split function to take multiple inputs in one line. Because input function takes input in string form, so we have to change it into integer. So we change our x and y variable into integer and then add it and assign it to z variable. Then we simply print our z variable. And let's see how it works. 67 and 89, 156. We take another example of 5 and 9 and it will result 14.